Hello guys, today I'm gonna make a short review about tattoo machine from Vlad Blad, Ultron 3. I'm already work with this machine for, I think, from September, so it's like 4 months now, and I want to say like some pluses and some minuses about it. Let's start, I think, from pluses for sure, because it have much more pluses than minuses, whatever. And first I want to say that now it's 2024, it's really important to have USB Type-C charge. And this tattoo machine have that, doesn't even a normal one, it's a fast charge. So full charge I think will take around 30-40 minutes, and like a half charge 20 minutes. So that's mean you can charge it super fast even before the session if you forget to charge your tattoo machine. You have also 3 type of stroke, but it's not controlled. You need to choose them when are you making order. So you have a 3.8 stroke, 4.2 stroke, and I think 4.8, right? Oh. Right. And I am order 4.5.
7.
7, you think?
Yeah, no?
Who knows, we will make a text under, you know, if I will make a mistake, I will put like text under. You need to choose your stroke before you order, because you cannot change it on the tattoo machine directly. It's like stroke made with tattoo machine. And that's why here on the display, you every time can see your stroke, which one you choose. I think it's made for the guys who have few of these machines, so they can find the way which one is which stroke. 4.2, it's already big one, but you can order like 4.7, and it will be really good for the heavy input ink, like a black work. I will say it's a little bit longer than regular tattoo machines, but it's because of the power of this. So it's really fit well in your arm. For me, it's okay, but if Vlad Blad will make in the future a bit smaller one, I will be super happy, because like this it's working a little bit hard for me, because I'm having pain in my arm, because I'm tattooing too long already. Whatever. So I will say like ergonomic of this is quite well. It's like almost the normal tattoo machine, which one we are every time use.
How comfortable its menu?
Menu, I will say it's like a little bit tricky, but it's simple. And after, I don't know, like few works, you will already know how to use it and all this stuff. So yeah, there is a function when your tattoo machine turns off after few like 15 or 30 seconds, I think. You can find this setting in the menu, and yes, some of people can use it. I don't know why. If they have a flat tables, they can just lay it down, but here in Amsterdam all tables are not so flat, so it's also a minus for the construction, because it's rolling on your table, because it's cylindric form. But whatever, you can put some tape here with some extra small part, and then it will not roll in.
What do you say about when the batteries go slow? Do you lose some power in the machine?
With this one, no, it's works well until the end. I didn't work completely until the end, because I don't know, it can work for 5 hours, I think, or 6. So usually my customers almost die after 5 hours, and that tattoo machine still have some charge. So for me that's okay. But if you're gonna work on like oh, by the way, it's also in the menu there is no voltage, there is hits per second. So you control not the voltage, you control the hits per seconds. and the maximum is let me see. I think it's 110. No, it's 130, and it's almost the same, like 12 voltage, and for sure it will take more energy from the battery. So the time of the work of this machine will be less on the high hits per seconds, for sure. But if it's not enough for you, Vlad Blad have not only this Ultron 3, he have like Ultron 3 maximum or something like that, with the extra battery on it. And then you can make a black work everywhere and don't care about charge. Because I don't think someone will survive after 7 hours of black work.
Put black work on the armpits.
Let's talk about minuses. Okay, there is, as I said before, there is not so much minuses in this tattoo machine. Sometimes there is a misclicks because of the small buttons, but it's really rare, so it's not so necessary, I will say. What else? Menu is simple but a little bit strange. You need to manage with it for a while. Also, I don't know, it's not a minus or not a plus. This function when it's working and you just put it and it's turns off. So I remember one time at my work for all these 4 months, I was making really long line, and at one moment my machine just stopped working because of I was like 15 seconds in this position, and machine start thinking that it's like on laying down or on the flat something, and it turns off. But I don't know, is that because of this feature or about something, but that's happened one time with me, and I will say it's also not so necessary. You can just turn this function off if you don't like it. As minuses, it's a price. Price is a big minus, because the price is
You can say
1,400.
1,400. Yeah, but it's what you get, no? Like,
Yes. But there is a plus, because Vlad Blad sometimes make sales, and you can order it for 700 or something like that.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be already good discount for sure. Like, also you can order from Vlad Blad a specific color of your machine, but it's like a custom, so you need to check a website. The minus is the box in which one it was delivered. So usually if you want to order like a expensive tattoo machine like that, I will prefer to have a nice box than just like ripping something around. But yep, it's a really good machine, and it's one of my main tattoo machine now. After 4 months, and still after 4 months, I'm using it for the different type of tattoos. For example, I can use it for the small tiny lines or for heavy color input for black work or something. So the range of styles for that machine is like almost everything, because it's like every hit of that tattoo machine every time the same. So it's mean you can use it, for example, if you want to make a delicate dot work shading on the low heat, and if you want to go harder to put more color, more black, you just turn high the heat per seconds and use magnums for sure. It's more powerful than normal tattoo machines, and it's also more delicate because of this system, like hits per seconds.
Okay.
I'm really like that kind of tattoo machines. Check the focus after the trick. Okay, and that was Evgeny Mel from nowhere, from here, from Amsterdam. That was a review on the crazy, whoa, Vlad Blad tattoo dildo machine. Whoa, that was dangerous. Bye bye.
Уходи. Уходить.